Today I'm taking a look at the Pipeliner welding helmet. So the first thing I noticed just by picking up the box and now picking up the whole hood, this is a very lightweight hood. Looks like we also got a lens included. I was not expecting that. So we can see that that is screwed directly in. Got our cross base here on the side, and we've got more screws here on the side holding everything together. And if we look in the side, we can see that little spring right there. So that is going to be what is holding our lens in. So if you ever have to replace it, we just press the lens out and then pull it up right through this slot. Now, if you've never used one of these before, you are going to have to sand this to match your face. The main benefit of a Pancake helmet is that you're going to be able to completely block out all the light coming in from the outside. So that's why pipeliners use it. They're usually using it out in the sunlight. If sun hits the glass, it's going to reflect into your face. With this making a perfect seal, you're not going to have to worry about that. All you're going to have to do is get some 60 grit sandpaper and just sand this guy down so it'll better fit your face. I've got a pretty fat face, so I'm going to have to sand this down on the sides and probably in the temples a bit. It does come with a strap. This is an elastic strap that is also adjustable. We got these clips on the side that are going to lock directly onto those screws. And if you want to, you can lock those down or you don't have to. And that is ready to go. Well, let's take a look at the coverage. Looks like we are getting about a 10.5 inch circle. So I'll take that guy to work and see how it runs. Yeah, I just gave it kind of a simple sanding right here, so just got it kind of coarsely pushed in. And with not even that much effort, it is actually fitting pretty darn well. On top of that, this thing is very light, like surprisingly light. That is a fixed shade. I think that is a fixed shade of 10. Very easy to see through. So yeah, overall, that is a pretty awesome welding helmet.